Hi dear friends, good morning all of you. This is Social Studies of Class 3 and this is the third chapter, Continents and Oceans. Okay, so although we know that we have studied in our first two chapters, first chapter was about our universe, second chapter about Earth and its surface and different types of movements, rotation and revolution. Okay, so moving on in detail about our Earth. Okay, so we already studied Earth, different types of movements like rotation and revolution we studied. Usse pehle we have studied about the presence of air in Earth atmosphere, and we just discussed in chapter 2 that Earth almost 70% of Earth is water and 30%, 29 something percentage is land. Okay, so we are focusing on that land portion which is present in Earth. Okay, so that we call it as land is present in the Earth. Okay, so this one, if you have textbook, please take page number 16, chapter 3, continent and this one, oceans. Okay, the large areas of land which we can see in this one in the Earth. Okay, that is called continents. Okay, so continents mainly there are 7 continents are there in land. Land is divided in different continents. So 7 are there. First one is Asia. Second one is Africa. Then North America. Then South America. Then again Europe. Then again Australia. And finally Antarctica. Okay, so these are the places where human beings are alive. Okay, except Antarctica. Antarctica also some are there. This science lab is there, etc. is there. So basically Australia, Europe, South America, North America, Africa and Asia. These are the main continents. There are 7 continents are there. So these are there. Okay, just by heart these names. This is very important for you. Okay, so these are called 7 continents. Okay. So in page number 16 there is a picture is given there. You can see in red color that Asia you can see. Then again Asia this in the right side of Asia you can see Europe. Then again orange color you can see Africa. Then in green color you can see South America. In purple color you can see South America. Then again green color North America. Sorry. Then again in yellow color you can see Australia, and below Australia you can see this Antarctica. Okay, so those are the 7 continents which we can see in our Earth. Okay, so that is about that one. And moving on to next, those are the land. Okay, now we are moving to the different types of land forms. Okay, हम लोग जो land में we are starting in this one land. Okay, so land में अलग-अलग this one land can be classified, land can be this one differentiate on the basis of shapes and उसका form में. Okay, land का shape में, land का form में we can classify into अलग-अलग category. Okay, so that we are going to look at. There are different types of land forms. Okay, the land on Earth's surface has different shapes and forms. So these are called land forms. We can see land in different structure, different forms, different shapes. Okay, so we use special words to talk different types of land forms. That is mountains we call mountains. Okay, pahad mountains we call. Then again hills, then valleys, then plateaus, then plains, etc. So let us talk about that. Okay, only that much today. You are, as you know, you are in class 3. So छोटा topic देंगे पढ़ने के लिए. That will be easy. Okay. So पहाड़ मतलब बड़ा this one बड़ा hills को हम लोग क्या बोलेगा? These are called mountains. Okay. These are called mountains. Everest is the highest mountain. Okay. So these are called mountains. Very big hills. हम लोग उसको बोलेगा mountains. Okay. The highest areas on earth which is called mountains. So these are the mountains. As a picture representation also this one. Okay. So these are called ये बड़ा होता है ना. This one, this two, these are called mountains. Okay. Mountains. At the top of the mountain. Okay. Top of the mountain. This place we call it as the top of the mountain is called peak. Okay. P-E-A-K. Peak. Okay. Top of the mountain is called peak. Okay. So सबसे बड़ा hills को हम लोग बोलेगा mountains. And the top of the mountain, that portion we call it as peak. Okay, so next one, and high areas of land which not as too much as high like these mountains. Everest में भी छोटा 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 hills होता है, so उसको हम लोग बोलेगा hills. Okay, these are called hills. Even though when you go to Nepal, you can see this one different hills, अलग अलग hills देख सकते हैं हम लोग. हिल क्लाइम करके हम क्या करेंगे, नेपाल में एक प्लेस से दूसरा प्लेस जाएगा. So that we can see. Even though if you go to Siliguri also, you have to climb hills. You have to go through the hills with the way which is go, that is through the hills. Okay, so small this one is there. We are going to as hills. Okay, and again next one, a line or a group of mountains. Now you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 mountains together. So we can call it as a line or group of mountains or hills, that is called a range. ये तीनों को एक ही साथ हम लोग बोलेगा क्या है, range. Okay, we call it as a range. 1, 2, 3. These three mountains, they are in a line, they are in a row. So such a type of mountains or such a type of hills we call it as a range. Okay, so that is about that one. Then again last portion, that is the gap between. You can see here a narrow place here, valley. This is called valley. This place is called valley. Valley means the gap between two mountains. जो तो क्या देख सकते हैं, small gap is there. Okay, so those two gaps, तो दो हिल और दो पहाड़ का, माउंटेन का बीच में जो प्लेस होता है, that we call it as a valley. Okay, so English, the low land between two hills or two mountains are called a valley. Okay, जब तक आप लोग जो बुक में क्या है पहाड़ का पिक्चर बनाएगा ना, तब वो दोनों पहाड़ का बीच में जो स्पेस होगा ना, ये वाला, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेगा, वाली बोलते हैं. Okay, so that is about that one. So that much only for today. First one, you just study the name of these continents. Okay, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay, so study those all 7 names of continents. Then second one, you just keep all these things in your mind. बड़ा बड़ा hills को हम लोग mountains बोलता है. The top of the mountain we call it as a peak. Okay, and again the gap in between the two mountains or two hills we call it as a valley, and 3 or 4 this one mountains or hills एक ही साथ हम लोग बोलेगा range. Okay, and छोटा छोटा mountain का भी छोटा छोटा hills होता है, उसको हम लोग hills बोलेगा. Okay, so those all these things we studied today. I hope you may understood the names of these continents and this one, the names of the places, and these name, the peak of the top of the mountain. What is the name top of the mountain को हम लोग क्या बोलेगा, peak. Okay, and the gap between two mountains or two hills we call it as a valley. Okay, so I think almost these all things you may understood. Thank you all of you. Thank you for listening me. Please read your textbook. आगे वाला portion में हम लोग पढ़ेगा plateaus and plains. Then again we are going to study about the deserts. Then again after that we are going to study about the oceans. Okay, so that is all about today. Thank you all of you. Stay at home, safe at home. Okay.